All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to sharpen these pants we have here pretty intensely, like more than you're going to do with a sharpen. So first of all, I need to select them. So I've drawn a clipping path around them. You can see here, just simply because they're complicated and I didn't want to bother with fussing with the wand. But you can do the wand or the object selection, whatever you need to do to get the selection done. Um, I did this because it's just sometimes you just got to do it. Those take a while. So, anyways, we've got uh, we've got it selected. We're going to go to well, you know what? I'm going to show you real quick. So let's go to sharpen. That's what we normally do, right? Sometimes, at least. Didn't do much. Another one is sharpen is an unsharp mask, and you can see that I can raise this pretty high. Not much going on. It's just there's not that much info there for it to grab. So what we really need to do is like super darken it and then lay it on top of it. So I'll show you real quick here. We're going to go down to other. So filter, other, high pass. And this is, wait, you know, I didn't make the new layer, sorry. Boom. So now I've got my selection. I'm going to go up here to layer, new, and via copy. Now I've just got it copied on just the pants or the material of the pants. So, okay, so my selection, a new layer. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to go to filter. We're going to pull this down to other, and we're going to go to high pass. And it's going to look like that. You'll probably, I don't know where it defaults at, but you know, it's usually actually pretty low. But yeah, let's go high. Let's see, you see a little bit of fading up here and stuff. And this generally works on light colored stuff. The darker stuff, you might have to try something else. You're gonna have to play with this. This isn't just a one-stop thing. Like 144.2 might not be anywhere near where you want to be, but just try this a couple times. Try it way extreme too. So this is here. And all we're going to do, so that doesn't look good, of course, but we're just going to now switch this layer mode to hard light. See that? So now I'm going to toggle it on and off. I mean, you see, that's a big difference. Like, and it didn't change the color, it just changed. It didn't make it cream. These are like a light cream color pant, and it's still light cream, but just look at all that detail. I can do this all day because it's when I discovered this, my Photoshop life changed. So hopefully yours does too. I hope it helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment, tell me about it. Thanks.